Okay, so I was laying in the sun today earlier. It's about 80 something degrees, but it's dry and there was more of a breeze. That's that hanging decoration I made. So my sister gave me her wicker couch, little love seat that I've been vying for, and she finally gave it to me. And she gave me that decoration with the parrots and that bird decoration I put on there. That's her backyard. She's just cleaning up her yard and getting rid of old things that she's had. When she moved, she brought them with us. So that's my little outside decoration. If you want to know how to make it, it's really easy, and I told you how to make it on my DIY playlist. You'll see it there. It's called Outside Sequin Hanging Decoration. So I love it. And it rained yesterday, and it was breezy, and it held up. So I love it. I might make one for the front. I want to try to find different colored large sequences. The large sequences are 44 millimeters. So I'm looking for other colors. They only have gold, and I'm not a fan of gold. So it's silver and gold in the large. So I'm going to look maybe on Amazon. They have other colors. If it's affordable, it's only 99 cents for a package at Hobby Lobby. So this is my yard. It's not the best. I've got to do a lot of work here, but I don't have the money for it. I have to paint the trim, as you can see. We don't get sun, so it gets a little black. Just like that needs to be power washed. The patio is cracking because the jerk that put the drain in didn't do it correct, and water still gets in our door. Because whoever did this patio made it so high that it leans towards the house. So over here, we get water rot. It's ridiculous. But, you know, we can't really afford to fix it. If I had money, I would make this yard such a beautiful oasis. Even just $10,000 could, or $5,000 could really do, but I don't, we just can't afford it. So I try to make the best. I'm just grateful we have a house. So that's what I just tell her. At least we have a house. And that's that, What can you do? You have to enjoy what you have. The lawn has to be cut, but again, we don't have a lawnmower. My husband's disabled, so we have to pay someone to do it, and they're costing so much. So we wait till it gets a certain length, and otherwise, you just throwing money out the door. So that is my beautiful little hanging thing. I love it. I'm so happy about how it turned out. Okay, I'm going in the house. Well, we cleaned up, but it rained. And my sister gave me a few yard things, that angel and a waterfall fountain and a gazing ball. So I'm gonna take it outside. So there's the fountain my sister gave me. It has a light inside at night. It's very soothing and relaxing. She gave me that gazing ball and the two little whirlies. She gave me those two cement ducks and the turtle. And there's Rudy at the door. Those two ducks my other sister in New York gave me. But the other things my other sister gave me, even that frog, she gave me the planter, and I gotta get fake flowers. I can't have real flowers because they'll die. I don't get enough sun. I live in the woods. My sister's house gets a lot of sun. She's next door. She gets more sun than I do. This is my swing. My sister next door gave me the angel and these butterfly stepping stones. I have to paint that trellis. It's probably going to be a big job, but we have to fix the fence because they put two different stinking fences there. It's ridiculous. But we have to fix the runoff We had a guy from the no drainage here, so they're going to come and do something for us. They're really nice here in Alabama. Because if you were in New York, you'd be calling people and the town wouldn't care. But here in Alabama, the town, not only did he call, but that same day, the guy came out here. Oh, and she gave me another pair of chimes. They sound, so yeah, it's Rudy Tooty. I love the sound of that.